Hi everyone, it's Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and today I'm going to go over the most basic part of meal planning, which is what the heck is it, and what kind of benefits you're gonna get by starting to meal plan. So if you've never meal planned before, you might actually not have any idea what it means to meal plan. But meal planning is basically planning out the meals that you're gonna have for your week and then going grocery shopping once for all of those meals so that everything is taken care of and out of the way. Okay, so the concept of meal planning is pretty simple in and of itself, but to actually meal plan, there are quite a few steps. So to start, you want to take a group of recipes and then you are going to plan them on specific days of the week or just make a general plan for your entire week. And then you are going to compile a shopping list to take with you to the grocery store. Now, doing all of these things by hand can be very lengthy and time consuming. You either have to find all of your recipes or go through all of your cookbooks, find them in your bookmarks on your favorite browser, whatever. Then you have to put them on a calendar, and then you have to go through the process of handwriting your shopping list with all of the ingredients and quantities that you need for your recipes. Like I said, doing this by hand can be very lengthy, which is why Plan to Eat exists. It is those aspects of traditional meal planning simplified into a digital platform. You have your online recipe book, a meal planning calendar, and then your grocery shopping list is made for you after you created your meal plan. If you're interested in trying Plan to Eat, there is more information about it in the description. But now I want to move on to the benefits you're going to have by actually starting to meal plan. So some of the most basic things that are going to happen when you start to meal plan is you are instantly going to start saving money because you're not going to the grocery store and buying random things. You're also going to save time because you're not spending time every single day thinking about what you're going to have for dinner and then going grocery shopping for that one day. You're also going to waste less food because when you go to the grocery store with the ingredients and the quantities that you actually need for your recipes, you're not overbuying or underbuying and then having food left over that you're never going to eat. So all of those other benefits that I mentioned are ways that meal planning simplifies your life. But our favorite benefit of meal planning is that it allows you to eat at home and eat together with your family more often. So that's the basics of meal planning and why you should start doing it. If you'd like to try Plan to Eat, there is a link in the description to get started. We offer a 30-day free trial with no card payment up front, so you can try it with no obligations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.